Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is a short video just to talk about the marking and annotating the text. And this is really a video for those of you that could not be in class. The lesson is under the banner Causes of the AR. AR stands for American Revolution. And here is the marking and annotating text assignment. And you can see you have the response sheet and the two articles that we read, marked, and annotated. Now, if you were absent from class and you were relying on this digital version, if you open up this text, you can certainly read it, but please do not take a pen and mark on the monitor. It won't work, and it will ruin a monitor. So, but you can print this out and annotate like I'm going to show you, or you can at least read this text and then look at the annotation samples that I have provided right here for you. Now, if you are going to mark and annotate the text, I am asking you to really, on this assignment, at the beginning, just do one mark, and that is circle. Circle the words that you don't know. In this case, here is the first article, and you can see that with the class, I asked students to circle words they did not know, and then I showed them how to annotate by making notes in the margins or between paragraphs on their text. And you can see that after I numbered the paragraphs and read, then we went through and looked at all the words that I had circled and that other students had circled, and then we defined what those terms mean in language that could be understood by most people. And there are 3 pages, 2 separate articles, and for each article and for each page, there are some annotations. And not only is this video in the lesson, but so are the pictures of this. They're not great pictures, but you can at least get an idea of what we did. And you can zoom in, you can see what was written for which words in the text that students that were in class for this exercise did not understand. That's really all there is to this video, looking at the samples of text annotations. Here's what you're going to turn in for credit in the grade book. You are going to turn in this packet, and this packet should have paragraphs numbered, and it should have circles around the words you don't know with the annotations like you see here. If you know every single word and don't need it, I am still asking. So I have evidence of your ability to mark and annotate a text. I want you to circle at least 2 words per article, even if you know them, and do the annotations. If for any reason you cannot see or read these, and these annotation and descriptions do not help you, you may use Google to search for definitions for the words that you have circled. Just be careful that what you're getting is a social studies context. That's it, folks. Good luck. This will be in the grade book. Bye-bye.